Students, today we will discuss NTA JEE Main Abhyas Test 90 Chemistry Solution. Myself Navneet Jain, and we will start from question number 1. Which one of the following complexes will most likely absorb visible light? We have to determine electronic configuration of various complexes. First one is the scandium is a 3d1 4s2 and in plus 3 state 3d0 4s0. Vanadium 3 plus 3d2, titanium 4 plus 3d0 and zinc 2 plus 3d10. For absorbing light in visible region, there is a need of d electrons and unpaired d electron which is available in 3d2. So only in vanadium VNS3 whole 6 3 plus only DD transition take place with 3D2 configuration. 3D0, 3D0 and 3D10 electronic configuration is unable to do DD transition. So answer is B. We'll move to question number 2. Calculate the percentage of the all monochlorinated products obtained from the monochlorination of 2-methylbutane. 2-methylbutane is this, and on reaction with Cl2 and sunlight we have to obtain these product. The percentage of this product is 1 degree hydrogen and count of 3, 2 into 3.8. The reactivity of 2 degree hydrogen is 3.8. 3 degree hydrogen is 1 and reactivity is 5. Another 1 degree hydrogen, and the possibility of this product, there are 6 hydrogen which will yield these product. So 6 into 1, 3, 7.6, 5 and 6. 3 plus 7.6 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 21.6. So percentage is 21.6 into 3 is multiplied by 100 is equal to 14%. 7.6 is divided by 21.6 into 100 is equal to 35%. 5 by 21.6 into 100 is equal to 23.5%. And 6 into 1, 6 upon 21.6 into 100 is equal to 28%. So option B is correct. 14, 35, 23.5 and 28. Now we will move to question number 2. Third, the IUPAC name of the given structure. The principal functional group is carboxylic acid and 3-bromo-2-iodo 4-oxo or keto pentanoic acid. 3-bromo-2-iodo 4-keto pentanoic acid. The answer is C. We will move to question number 4. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The percentage ionic character of cesium chloride bond is 55%. Electronegativity is value for cesium and chlorine are 0.7 and 3.0 respectively. The formula of percentage ionic character is equal to 16 difference in the electronegativities of two atoms plus 3.5 XA minus XB whole square. So 16 into the electronegativity difference is 3 minus 0.7, 2.3 plus 3.5 and 2.3 square. So percentage ionic character is 55.32%. So this option is correct. From H2O to H2 plus the geometry around oxygen atom changes drastically. No. In both cases the hybridization of oxygen is sp3 and the shape is tetrahedral. So this statement is incorrect. The most stable oxidation state for element with atomic number 113 is expected to plus 2. No. 113 atomic number element is belong from group number 13 and the stable oxidation state is plus 1 and plus 3. And most stable state due to the inert pair effect is plus 1. So this statement is also incorrect. The second ionization energy of calcium is greater than first ionization energy of it. Correct statement, but lower than second ionization energy of potassium. So this statement is also correct. In question, which of the following statement is incorrect? So answer is second and third. So option C is correct for question number 4th. Question number 5th. Out of the following ions, the colorless ion will be. The colorless ion will be copper is 3d10 once again, and scandium 3 plus is 3d0. So these electron reconfiguration is unable to absorb the light in visible region. Hence, all the electrons are paired and vacant d orbital. So option A is correct. Question number 6. The product of the following reaction is. The lone pair of electron is attack on this, and in first step O minus, OH, Me and plus. In next step there is this bond is shift to this and this to shift, and this bond is shifted to oxygen. So we have to obtain C double bond O, OMe and CH2OH. So option C, OOMe, CH2, CH2OH. Option B is correct for question number 6. Question number 7. Consider the following carbanion correct decreasing order of stability. Nitro group is a strong electron withdrawing group which will withdraw electron from minus R as well as minus high effect, and negative charge decreases. For the stability, the magnitude of charge is always low, so negative charge is least. And second number is this, first in stability, second in stability. Since OCS3 and CH3 group are electron donating group, and electron donation is more for methoxy than CH3. Since methoxy group is donate, both plus are effect. So least stable is first. So question number 7, least stable is first in option A only. Now we move to question number 8, metallurgy. Ag2S is react with NaCN. The complex is AgCN whole twice and this complex react with zinc to form ZnCN whole 4 2 minus. So A is AgCN whole twice and B is Ag. So option B is correct for question number 8. Question number 9. Which of the following option is correct for given curve? X by m is directly proportional to p raised to the power 1 by n. 1 by n is slope and slope is tan theta. 2 by 4 1 by 2. So x by m is directly proportional to p 1 by 2. So option C is correct. Question number 10. Acetone on addition to methyl magnesium bromide CH3 MgBr is react with acetone to form tertiary butyl alcohol. So option B is correct. Question number 11. A is react with H2O to form B and B is react with H2 to form C. A is PCl5 which react with H2 to form POCl3, and POCl3 is react with water to form H3PO4. A, B and C, PCl5, POCl3 and H3PO4. So option B is correct for question number 11. Question number 12. Which of the two water sample A and B BOD of 10 and 20 respectively, then mark correct option. Which is more polluted? 20. B is more polluted than A. Question number 13. A compound A dissociate by two parallel first order path at certain temperature. If reaction is started with pure A with 1 mole of A in 1 liter closed container with initial pressure is 2 atmosphere. What is the pressure in atmosphere developed in container after 50 minutes? from start of the experiment. So we have to calculate overall K, which is equal to K1 plus K2, which is equal to 6.93 into 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Half-life is equal to 0.693 upon K, which is equal to 0.693 upon 2 into 6.93 into 1000, which is equal to 50 minutes. Half-life is 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, PA is 2 ATM initially, and in half-life, first half-life, 2 ATM will remains to 1 ATM. After 50 minutes, PA is equal to 1 atmosphere. Since K1 is equal to KL2, PB is equal to 0.5 into 2, so 1 atmosphere due to stoichiometric coefficient, and PC is also equal to 0.5 into 1 is equal to 0.5 ATM. So total P is equal to 1 plus 0.5, which is equal to 2.5 ATM. Option D is correct. Question number 14. On subjecting 10 ml of mixture of N2 and CO2 repeated electrical spark to form CO2 and NO. 7 ml of O2 was required for combustion. What was the mole percent of CO in the mixture? All volume were measured under identical condition. So number of moles is equal to number of volume. 22.4 liter contains number of volume is equal to number of moles. We know very well that N2 is react with O2 to form 2 moles of NO, and CO plus half of O2 gives CO2. X ml of N2 and 10 minus X ml of CO. So total volume for O2 is same stoichiometric coefficient X plus 10 minus X by 2. For 1 mole of CO, half mole of O2 is required. So the number of moles of O2 is 10 minus X is divided by 2 is equal to 7. So X is equal to 4. So answer is A, 4 ml. 10 minus X is N2. What was the mole percent of CO? Sorry, we have to calculate mole percent. X is equal to 4 and the number of moles of CO is 6. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Mole percent is equal to 6. Total moles 10 into 100, which is equal to 60. So answer is D. Question number 15. The increasing order of Ag plus ion concentration in saturated solution of AgCl, saturated solution of AgI, 1 molarity AgNH3 whole base plus in 0.1 molarity of NH3, 1 molarity of AgCN whole base minus in 0.1 molarity of KCN. Given a KSP under root of KSP of AgCl is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 5 molarity of Ag plus in first, and in second under KSP is equal to S square, so S is equal to under root of KSP since solution is saturated, 10 raised to the power minus 8 capital M. And for this complex AgNH3 whole twice plus, we have to do this expression AgNH3 whole twice plus gives Ag plus 2 moles of NH3. 10 raised to the power minus 8 is equal to Ag plus 0.1 square and 1. So concentration of Ag plus ion is 10 raised to the power minus 6 molarity. and for AgCN whole twice minus gives Ag plus aqueous plus 2 moles of Cn minus. 10 raised to the power minus 21 is equal to Ag plus 0.1 whole square is divided by 1. So concentration of Ag plus is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 19 molarity. So the order of Ag plus ion concentration is first, third, second and fourth. First, third, second and fourth. Option C is correct. We'll move to question number 16. 100 ml solution of 0.1 normality of HCl was titrated with 0.2 normality of NaOH solution with 30 ml. So 100 into 0.1, 100 into 0.1 is equal to 10 equivalents of HCl, and 30 into 0.2 is equal to 6 equivalents of NaOH. Remaining is 4 equivalent of HCl. Total 4 equivalents HCl required. 0.2 normality of NaOH. This is the volume. The volume of KOH. X is equal to 4 upon 0.25. 16. Answer is A. Question number 17. Hydrocarbon A react with bromine by substitution to form an alkyl bromide, which by Wurtz reaction is converted to gaseous hydrocarbon containing less than 4 carbon. This give butane. This contain also 2 contain 2 to 4, 2 to 4. The answer is D. CH4 gives CH3Br on reaction with Br2, and on Wurtz reaction of CH3Br, the product is ethane, which contains less than 4 carbon. Question number 18. Mole fraction of toluene vapor phase, which is equilibrium with a solution of benzene and toluene having 2 moles of each. We know very well that P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. This is toluene, this is benzene. 80 into equal moles having 2 moles of each. So mole fraction is 0.5. 120 is multiplied by 0.5, which is equal to 40 plus 60 is equal to 100. We have to calculate mole fraction of toluene vapor phase. The partial pressure of toluene is 40 and total pressure is 100. So mole fraction is 0.4 in vapor phase. We know very well that partial pressure of toluene is divided by total pressure of solution is equal to mole fraction of toluene vapor phase. Question number 19, where two compounds ACl3 and DCl3 of two elements A and D are mixed together to a compound AdCl6 is formed. Structure analysis shows that AdCl6 is an ionic compound. Given that DCl3 is triangular planar, DCl3 is triangular planar means D is the element of group 13, and ACl3 is trigonal pyramidal means A is an element of group 15 since it is triangular pyramidal. Predict the shape of the anion DCl4 minus. DCl4 minus. So cation is ACl2 plus. DCl4 minus is sp3. D belongs to group number 13. Valence shell electrons is 3. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1 is 8 is divided by 2. sp3 tetrahedral. Perfect tetrahedral. Question number 20. Regarding the structure of SO2 and SiO2, which of the following is true? The gaseous SO2 and SiO2 have same V-shaped molecule both in solid and gas phase. No. At room temperature, both SO2 and SiO2 are solid. No, SO2 is gas. In the solid phase, the structure of SO2 is V-shaped, discrete molecule, but SiO2 is cyclic trimeric. No, SO3 is cyclic trimeric. In solid phase, the structure of SO2 is V-shaped, discrete molecule, but SiO2 is linear polymeric chain. This is correct. The structure of SiO2 is this. Linear polymeric chain structure is this. So option D is correct. Question number 21, calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction. We know very well that E naught is equal to 0.0591 upon n log of k. E cell is 0 since cell at an equilibrium. E naught is equal to E cathode minus E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode is equal to 0.0591 is divided by 1. Number of electron transfer is 1. Fe2 plus converted to Fe3 plus. Log of k plus k is, we have to calculate k. E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode is equal to 0.76 is equal to 0.0591 upon 1 log of k. Log of k is equal to 12.35 and k is equal to 7.07 into 10 raised to the power 12. In 10 to the power 12, so answer is 7.07 into 10 raised to the power 12. Now we will do question number 22. Consider the following reaction. Carboxylic acid is converted into amide reaction with ammonia and heating, and we will obtain the amine which contains less than 1 carbon as compared to amide. So Hofmann bromide degradation, only one reaction is possible. Question number 23. The surface of copper gas tarnished by the formation of copper oxide N2 gas was passed to prevent the oxide formation during heating of copper at 1250 Kelvin. However, the N2 gas contains 1 mole % of water vapors. Impurity: the water vapors oxidizes copper as per the reaction given below. Partial pressure of hydrogen is the minimum partial pressure of hydrogen in bar needed to prevent the oxidation at 1250 Kelvin. The value of Ln partial pressure of hydrogen is given. Total pressure 1 bar, R is given, Ln 10, mutually copper solid and immiscible. At 1250 Kelvin, delta Z naught is given and S2 plus half of delta G naught is also given. So 2 moles of copper solid plus 1 by 4 moles of O2 gas forms Cu2O solid. Delta G naught is equal to minus 78 kilojoule. H2 gas plus half of O2 gives H2O gas. Delta G naught is equal to minus 178 into minus 1, which is equal to 178 kilojoule. 2 moles of copper solid plus H2O gas gives Cu2O gas plus H2. Delta G naught is equal to plus 100 kilojoule. We know very well that delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln of Q. 0 is equal to 100 plus 8 by 1000 plus 1250 Nn of partial pressure of hydrogen upon partial pressure of H2O. 100 into 1000 by 8 is equal to 1250 ln of partial pressure of hydrogen is divided by 1 by 100 into 1. So natural log of partial pressure of hydrogen is equal to minus 14.6. Now we will move to question number 24. 3-methyl butane to all is reacted with HI. In first stage, 2 degree carbocation is formed, then hydride shift. 2 degree carbocation is converted into 3 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4. Identify the position of carbon in the main chain to which nucleophile is added in the product X2. Question number 25. Calculate the osmotic pressure in Pascal exerted by a solution prepared by dissolving 1 gram of polymer by molecular mass 185,000 in 450 ml of water at 37 degrees Celsius. We know very well that pi is equal to iota of CRT. C is the molarity. 1 gram of polymer divided by molecular mass 185,000 volume in liter. This is molarity. R is 8.314 into 10 to the power 3 in Pascal and temperature is 310. On solving this expression we will get 30.95 Pascals. So answer is 30.95. I think so 70 plus is a good score in this paper.